I'm Adam, and we're starting this as a difficult traffic test. Which of the 4 cars is last in line at the intersection? Which car will go through the intersection first? And which car will go through the intersection last? Answer options 1. The yellow and red cars are first, the police car is last. 2. The yellow car is first, and the green car is last. 3. The police car and the yellow car are first, the red car is last. 4. Policeman is first, green is last. 5. Yellow is first, red is last. 6. Green is first, yellow is last. You have 30 seconds. Parsing the task, 4 cars have arrived at an intersection. The yellow car turns right, the green car turns left, and the red and police cars go straight through. The intersection is not equipped with traffic lights, and there is no sign at the intersection. Such intersections are considered unregulated intersections with equal signal roads. But in the picture, not all roads are equal. The driver of the red pickup truck is driving from a dirt road onto an asphalt road. According to the traffic rules, the dirt road is secondary to the paved road. Therefore, the driver of the red pickup truck must let everyone pass and will definitely pass last. All other cars are on equal roads, so they must separate according to the traffic rules, which is better known as the rule of interference on the right. So, the driver of the yellow car will be the first to pass, as he has no interference on the right side. After that, the driver of the green car will pass second, and then the driver of the police car will pass. The driver of the red pickup truck will go last, as we already know. The correct answer is number 5, and also consider a variant of the problem if the police car was moving with a beacon and a horn on. In this case, the police car should pass first, since the trajectory of the driver of the yellow car does not intersect with the policeman. He can move simultaneously with him. The green car will pass next, and the red pickup truck from the secondary road will pass last. Write your answers below in the comments. Put a like, share the video with friends, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone, and see you soon.